In today's video, I will walk you through how to remove stocks on your watch list using Robinhood Legend. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To follow along, open Robinhood Legend through the official Robinhood website or the Robinhood app. Then go to the main trading interface where your widgets and watch list are displayed. Once you are on the main screen, locate your watchlist side panel where all your selected stocks are listed. This is where you manage everything you are tracking in one place. From your watch list, scroll through and select the stock you want to remove. Click on it so it becomes highlighted and its options become available. Next, look for the three dots icon next to the trade option for that specific stock. From there, choose Remove. The stock will be deleted from your watch list immediately, and the list will update automatically so it no longer appears. If you need to remove more stocks, repeat the same process. Each stock is removed individually, so you can carefully adjust your list as needed. Once you are done, your watch list will reflect only the stocks you want to keep track of, making it easier to focus on your selected investments.